One of the things is great about living on the coast is that I can grow my own lemons and oranges and stuff like this. And this tree is pretty full, so it's pretty big. But it's just nice to be able to have that opportunity to come out here, and when I need to cook something with a lemon or an orange or a lime, I can do that. We have another one over there. It's starting to produce, but this one's having a little bit of trouble. And then we grow grapes. And then our orange trees are doing really good too. So, I mean, they're starting to come off the ground, but they look great. They're small and their peels are really thin, but they're super juicy. The flavor's good. And it's just nice to be able to come out here and pick your own fruit. Especially when you cook like I do. I tend to cook around the world, and I need oranges and lemons and limes to do that. So tell me about your trees. If you have any fruit trees or in your yard or anything like that, I'd love to see them. Have a great day.